Kia ora koutou katoa, ko Tima Kwan tōku ingoa, he mihi kauatu ki a E Tū Whānau mō rātou tautoko mai ki a mātou ko Chocolate Bliss Balls. Kia ora everybody, my name's Tima. Just a shout out today to say thank you to E Tū Whānau for supporting our production for Chocolate Bliss Balls at the Whangārei Fringe Festival in October. So E Tū Whānau has kindly sponsored the production of our work. And because the theme of our work is really around relationships to ourselves, relationships to our whānau, relationships to the taiao, and E Tū Whānau's kaupapa weaves and integrates into our kaupapa so well through the ideas of mana manaki, tikanga, aroha, and of course whānau. We've seen a real decline of the amount of artists being able to showcase work here in the north, so we really wanted to reinvigorate that by coming together as a collective of Māori women to showcase some of our homemade goods. Be sure to come along and bring the whānau. We'll be discussing some really hardcore whānau, savvy, sassy kaupapa, so nau mai, haere mai.